Ken, Omo. I know it's what I'm very sorry. Ready to go. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? That's my glory. Why can't you touch my glory? Yeah, I want this song.
Because guys, this is so much fun in South Africa, but the only problem here is who go sponsor me. I can say, yeah, guys, here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just next is where you get all around entertainment. Just so if you've not subscribed, just quickly hit the subscribe button and make sure you click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. Okay, so guys, like, these housemates actually know how to have fun. Like, I'm so happy, like, seeing them together, having so much fun, guys. Like, it gives me peace of mind. Like, it gives me joy. Like, I see my face, everybody all up in one space. But guys, they are really adding, like, they are actually enjoying the whole South African experience thing, because everywhere they are, you see them gyrating, hyping themselves, dancing, and always having fun. Like, everybody, like, literally everybody, even see BRYAN in the background and singing and doing all sorts of things. I'm like, oh, like, guys, hey, well, like, this is kind of the trip, like, nobody will actually want to miss. I'm like, all those housemates I didn't go, like, I wish I was there. But guys, even me, yeah, like, I'm wishing I was actually there, because guys, trust me, it's gonna be fun. Maybe sometimes to me too, like, the way I'm looking at this, like, South Africa is actually a wonderful place that I would definitely love to visit one day, guys. So what are your thoughts on this? Just leave your comments. But let me just leave you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. Love you all till I come back again, guys. It's bye for now.
Where you at, don't you, mate? Where you at, don't you, mate? So, what you say?
Shut up,